Hi everyone, welcome back to Small Engine Repair Tutorial. Today we have this Victa V127 or 127cc 4-stroke engine. We get this one from the customer and he said that the fuel is leaking and I'm not sure if this engine is running. I forgot to ask him. And we also need to fix the throttle cable. And also we need to fill the petrol and we'll have a look and I'll show you how we could fix it, and let's get started. Oh, it's leaking. Okay, so the fuel hose is broken. Crack the fuel hose. It's really stiff. We're going to replace the fuel line. Here we have the length of fuel line, and this is a really high quality natural rubber fuel line for Lawnmower, Bridges, Throttle, and other engine, and has 10 millimeter of outer diameter with a really good thickness wall with roughly 2.4 millimeter thickness. And we're going to cut this one, so we need at least we need at least 8 centimeter of length. Okay, so just need to remove the clip. So I think the inside, it comes with the, not sure what's inside here. Oh, it's some sort of filter or tube. Could be the filter. So it's a fuel filter. Gonna show how this one is fitted inside. Could be just like that. So we just push the fuel line in. Okay, so yeah, just push it in. If you have any better idea, just leave a comment, and in our future video at least we know. Okay. So just put a good compression for the spring again. Just put the spring back. Okay, so that's pretty much. Hopefully that fixes the problem, and we'll try start the engine, fill the petrol. Looks good. So we'll see if we can start the engine. If it starts, then we only need to fix the control cable. Okay, let's remove this part here that holds the throttle cable. So using the M10 socket, just need to remove this one as well. Now we have the cable. Okay, we'll just want to fix the cable by just making this one straight. So now it's pretty much straight. So I will use double adhesive head shrink. Let's see if this one can fix the problem. So it looks good. It provides a reinforce to the cable, and we should do the job. Okay, to install this one, just insert this part here. So this will go right here where the slot is. Put the cover. So here it is. So this is the final work. So we can easily, it's very smooth. So why spend money to buy a throttle cable if you can fix that? So I hope you find this one useful to fix your own throttle cable. So the problem with this one is when you fold this part here, this upper part here, when you fold this, it gets caught. So best option is you must place this one on the top, so when you fold the handlebar, it won't caught the cable, it won't damage the cable. So always leave this one on the upper side. So thanks for watching our video repair tutorial for today, and I hope you find it useful and informative, especially when fixing the throttle cable, and why spend money to buy a new cable if you can fix it. So I hope you find it informative, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.